oso wanje kwao bwatirira ndali mu mrogo ko bari no asali ndende abanganayo twana yebo
Mbiamono sana. My name is Obare Thomas, yondo my MCA Obare. Ngireli bageli gali aboniga to respond to what I've seen gego trend online na ra mugabano ito Hon Simba Arati na lengese word ya Obare. But I want to respond to the few things anyara raise within the word ya Obare. One, mugabana te banga mo MCA are absent nga tachi titweli yaye. Injabuno mo MCA Obare na beta informed nga gabanango chale Obare. I had no information at all nga gabanango chale Obare. Second, yona lenge Nairobi asaba MCA bande bonsi pi Kenya ngima balenge as a convention ya 5th legislative summit eli okwanera mangana yoburai bo MCA in the entire nation ya ito ya Kenya. Egento kiagere na chire online ige yarero no tebia abantu baito babase Obare that a time has come ntakere correspond to the allegations gavana aberega raise ekarago cha Obare. Gavana ochire eward ya ito. I think this is the 4th time achire Obare. But yobo ori mugabano ito in these tours according to Obare agenda ki arete iro muitangare agenda teyo other than gocha batera ngo MCA obo either tamaitigasi ose omo MCA obara absent nkwanero mugabano ito ega injebuno Obare. I know and I believe in my competence. I'm competent to represent abantu babo Obare. Nieki na kiba aroche bakanga kira chikura even without a political party. Nkabo mo MCA obo. Egento kende, Your Excellency, waten on different forums. Oteria abantu ngegasi omo MCA no gwetie budget yani gogoseteria matem ayekwanya kora. We have done that religiously. To either budget kesatu soeta assembly. But in terms of implementation, Your Excellency, Kwanyoranga Kisi County, authority number 47 out of 47. Aitari magoso Obare. Aitari magoso Obare ko absent ko so mukutano go. That is what you've chosen. Your Excellency nkoboli gento kende. Ekerogo chabo Obare. Chipara chito kwa ragari. Contractor kwaete. And I want to say this with a lot of humility. Yo kwaete contractor yemo chipara chiabo basi chonsi pi. Oromogere. Takio gotoretera abagere bacha kubika mbakari karabati. Abana baito barororo batabuati gasi. Abana baita bagusi bakorigerina kya abagere bagwa bekera makarabati. Njenga tebanga nisa ogiche gasi ekorekane. Lakini none gasi iyo Your Excellency aboroje kana nanga gasi tirakoru. Egento kende ngwate nase nyagitari eto yali Obare Your Excellency. Wate abange nyagitari ngo nyarosiye. Ndagita kuwakara ngambia muno. Kisuguma nyagitari ere rosugu. But nkoboliga Your Excellency, equipment chigo cha Obare ninje ne migira se budget iri ko ruchi ward ya 27 na hakikishire ngenya gitari iri ngosukere because igari yese kwarenga Your Excellency bari na abayiboli bane barari bari ni chiyango chiane bari na abana ba minto my brothers, my grandmother, my grandfather nabo barenge gari. You know Your Excellency teto tio kora siasa na abayiboli baito siasa iri gukora na batokanya kora Nairobi ga. Lakini siasa ili gwataka gukora rero use siasa iko aretere gusi yuko minyoke binyoro ko ngaina bangina eri tari siasa to gukora bunantu bari turwiteze binyoro biri inje ngote y'abantu baitekene because bari na bayibuli bane I will feel very bad ko ngaina bayibuli bane. And that is why today Your Excellency njende pained okwenda liyo bara ko ngaina bayibuli bane ko basiringi 200 na ko bachi t-shirt oni gabantu baitegento batagete namagenderero kango muna wacha liyo bara eko batenge nyagitarie ko igorwere nyagitarie ri sikwalenge Your Excellency if with all due respect onye gwesigete otakeiro oirigi your own time oira na senya nyagitarie ri omanye problem nyagitarie ri ngayere the little works ya koliru ga Your Excellency needs my effort, my own effort. What if budget ya 4.2 billion ya development kwa ba MCA budget 920 million. What gonna 3 point something billion, Your Excellency? Out of the 3 point something billion, ichigotika na chirocho. Your Excellency, kaba candid enough, inchubo itangari tebya baitangaranga singe njomo MCA nas fail na abareteire se budget ya 3.2 billion na abareteire no 50 million. Your Excellency, last year tokabeka chibesa se chiro yeito yeigare e back street chigoru street light chibeku up to today igare is still in darkness. Your Excellency, tokabeka chibesa asenya kitari yeito ya Rusinga maternity wing yagacho it is still dormant. Tokabeka chibesa se kwende yeito ya Rusinga Polytechnic class kia gatakere kwa gachoro nkera gacho mpaka boniga. Tokabeka chibesa se kitari yeito ya Kiamisio, Your Excellency, nothing has been done. Tokabeka chibesa, Your Excellency, asa macha nyamawa abantu baito banyamawa bachandikite banyore bohol banyora macha korworo. Nothing has been done. That is not my failure. We passed that budget. It is upon you to implement that budget. Again, tokende, Your Excellency, chipara the same thing you've done this year. Koe contract mo chipara, you did that last year. Up to today, chipara chito chia last year nchira koru. Your Excellency, bebi bintu takiroche buitangaro eresa abantu. Obatengi para ya nyamawe tacho nyamawe mission etara koleru. E para ya nyamawe mixed omaranga kitara koleru. E para ya itugu arete contract tekarete bira gitari ga korora ya musaraba nyambunde kitara koleru. And you went ahead, Your Excellency, and paid those contractors huge sums of money. E para ya kiamisioli esoko tenyo nkasabo mujumba kanyakora e contract tokarete kabeka board nga ya kori ne county ya kori ekare to kubolia, Your Excellency, into we are not fighting you. Hon Simba Arati, this is the 4th time wachiro basi witangare. From last year I have never responded to all allegations ogocha gwakwa nekare wachiro witangare. You came last year ogatebanga mo MCA has failed ogachora bagaka ogatenegara ogakwana buya ngaba gaka ikomi tinde responded nkakira okarangeria bagaka bugo okabaeli 1250 okabatemo kolegas na baro mwanchorete ina regas mwakorire. Obare is not the reason as to why egas tari okorbuitangare. The reason as to why egas tari okorbuitangare, Your Excellency, is because of your incompetence. Nsaba bagaka baito babo basi abagaka baito batugambira no botohereru abagaka babo basi mugako ito Chris Obure mugako ito Steven Manoti mugako ito mujumbo ito tosigete mugako tabwati mangana mugako biri n'abagaka bari bonsi piba masikani bo mubasi ntagetemba sabe bunancho mwana moke ne keiri njero mwana moke mbasabe mukwanero mugabano ito kagero mubasi achayo asenye nje ebinte bya okoro mukusi kominyoka chi ward chi aba MCA ko barama eitari magendero eitari siasa abarai ba beiro. Your Excellency, you know the first governor to atwara mugako edo James Elvis Omaribongwa okore thega asiengi yabusiengi mekorokana oriende taba basi ba minto tu abwate chief officer yenye tu abwate chi minister kange bine bintu, Your Excellency, ogo chota taibo basinga njibuno mugabano ino mwano ino na abakorere ABCD na alikira abana banganike county na akorere gasierega nyakitari eto ya machi nebwata mariogo nyakitari eto ya rio bara nebwata mariogo nyakitari eto ya kyongonke kwamete kwa ete contract quality nebwata mariogo nebintu bnebi amacha itanya gukutu abegete chibesa kango, Your Excellency, bine bintu ogo chabitangare otebya baitangare, because that is why omuyi basi awakere tekura na ntwevu ninga ntobwato mwana ite county. Your Excellency, nko inyoliga emyaka 5 nkwerere nchobarari tari mambo mu MCA egento byokango kusaba bokoranga bagaka baliogo choramba kokonyo kolegasi ya basi boitangare, of which I know ngamba wo cha assembly jira mo weterie budget assembly ayechora bagaka bali babeke kire kenyoro babeke kire sublocation egasi ekoru ebintu biri byaitere budget na ayo sune yabongeri ya 3.2 billion ore tombe kase ya 27 aba basi boitangari bakore egasi. I will go home a happy man because abantu baito bakore egasi. Your Excellency, ngo remindiga the seat and the position of governor is a very big seat. Please don't demean that seat. Ochaka tuchaka kwiranira ninje naye nje no mu MCA onye ko target kwiranira ninje naye, you will be demeaning that seat. Your Excellency, I also want to remind you, basacha mbali otwara bitina 24/7 ebintu byokora it's an ebintu bitali bi embyo mugusi musake tari kunya kuumana 24/7 inche no mwana minomoke onye na gosire yoko ndangeri tukwane. That is how governance is done. Lakini yebiga your excellency yoko minyokeria abantu ba minto t-shirt kuminyokeria abantu ba minto 200. This is not the time. This is not the time. Your excellency, I want to remind you, I might not be the problem. What you need, Your Excellency, is a 3-month crash program at Kenya School of Government to understand management. You cannot run a county as though it is your house. A county is a structured organization. The manner in which you are running Kisii County is wrong. Nande kuageri ritari mubasiri ya chairu. Bantu nabaramba agotebi karugutare tauni ritari mubasiri ya chairu. Inche tingoka ni uchayu asengencho yago. Nande tingoka ni mubasi ya chayu asengencho yago. I will speak my mind. Like me, hate me, I will tell you as it is. I have no problem with you, but you cannot govern your people the manner in which you are governing them. I want to remind you, Your Excellency, this is a democracy. And in a democracy, we have divergent opinion. You are not supreme. You are not our supreme leader. Matoko bwati 24/7. Intwege ndotogo saba. Korera aba basirasi. Tiga abana baito torenga abana baito bali county. Batige korero korera bakorera. Abana baito bali kure county. Abu eswate ni Obare. You did not tell them nga kwa butiro mwana wabo kuruka Isaya Masota. You did not tell them nga nero lenge county atoni yawo ukamubutegasi. Alina abana ba minto. That is what pains me, Your Excellency. Inchenta letoko sababa gusi onsi yasebabe. As we move towards 2027, the decision we make will define the future Kisii County will take. The decision we make going forward will determine nga yomo gusi yagotoka. Egento kende ntagetoka teyaba gusi. Tiga to tuare obomu no bwente. Tosikane bali bara turasoborai. Lero nindo mambitengio, but it is important nga tosike keroke kelitwa choriru. Thank you.